Welcome to part 3, adding the audio clip. So to add the audio clip, we go over to Project Test. Here you've got your browser, your effects and your project clips. So in the first part we added all our clips, and that included the piece of audio we wanted to use as well. So all I'm going to do is left button, grab it, move it across, make sure it lines up with the arrows that were there. And you can see this clip is very long compared to things. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut it. So we get our razor blade I mentioned previously. We get our razor blade and just go, we want to cut it, we'll leave it a little bit extra because we want to fade it out. And then just highlight the bit we don't want and press backspace, and that's gone. So I'm going to go to effects now. So we're going to choose the audio, go to effects, and we should have here somewhere video audio transitions. So we're going to use audio transitions and crossfade. And we're going to go to exponential fade. So if we grab that, drag it across right to the end, and you can see there when it highlights like that, there you go, just drop it. And then if you can get it, maybe not. Let's see if we can get to the effects. So if we choose that, to see what it's like. So you can see how it's quite loud. It's louder than the vocals. We don't want that. We want it to be low in the background. And then the audio fade at the end. Brilliant.
Hello.
Right, so what we want to do is the audio level. So if you click on that, double click, sorry, go to audio mixer. There you go, and you can see.
Hello to all the year sixes.
We have.
My name is Mrs. Wellens, and I'm part of
the vocals, the music, and the master. The master turns everything down.
The transition week that you would be attending.
Obviously, the music. I'll just turn the music down.
We are not able to hold this year.
So we want that.
However, I want to reassure you that the
just
year
to play in the
17
background.
really hard behind the scenes to ensure that your transition to secondary school is as smooth as possible. When you join De La Salle, you'll not only be part
Sounds
of a
not
Catholic
too bad.
community,
So just stop that. Go back to the beginning, and I think that's it. So what we're going to do now we've got our finished piece, we're going to go to File, Export. 1 minute. So if we select everything, then go to File, Export Media, and that will give you a choice of things. What we want to do, H.264, and then go and choose where it says Android tablet. Oh, it might say something else in there. Just pull it all the way down. And so if you might want to load this up to YouTube for we'll just choose something that's not very big. So we'll just use YouTube 1080 by, I think it's 720, 29 frames. So that's click there, and then we're going to change this to test clip 1, and make sure that that's being saved in the folder that we created. So we go save, make sure that your pointer on these are all at the end, make sure you're exporting video and audio, and then just press export. Now this can take a little while, because what it's actually doing is rendering all the sequences. So now that's finished exporting, we can just cancel that and just save our work. I would suggest saving it constantly as well, so you don't lose anything. So we'll just minimize that and go to the folder we've been saving everything, and there's our clip. So just have a quick look at our clip.
Hello to all the Year 6s. My name is Mrs Wellens and I'm part of the transition team. Usually at this time of year we will be working to organising the transition week that you would be attending in July. Due to the government's guidelines, you'd not only be part of a community. This is something that will stay with you all your life and you'll learn more about in the next few weeks and also when you start with us in September. Just remember you're on the verge of an exciting, wonderful 5 years with us and we're really looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miss Swaby. I'm the Pastoral Support Manager for Year 7 here at De La Salle.
So there you go, there's your video, all done and dusted. So all I can suggest is get cracking, have a go at it. Make sure you keep all your clips together in one folder. That's my best advice at the moment, because if you lose things and you're looking for them here, there and everywhere, it'll take ages to find them. So thank you.